This is Scott Halford, and this is Your Brain Matters. These are just little 1.5 to 2 minute bites about your brain and things that we can do to actually keep our brains healthy and active throughout our lives. So the first thing that I want to talk about is activation. And activation is that interesting kind of notion that tells us a little bit about motivation. If you take your finger and you put it up under your left orbital socket and you feel the ridge there, what you would feel is, if you poked up inside there, you'd feel the left orbital frontal cortex. And there is where we believe that we have kind of the go button in our brain, the motivation button. And the more that we activate that, the more that we want to do things over and over again. So, for instance, if I go in and I start to clean out the garage, if all I do is just move one thing, and I move it to its proper place, I have activated that left orbital frontal cortex, and it gives me what we call a dopamine bump and says, keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. So the idea is this, is that if we can begin to activate in our brain, to activate around things that we need to get done, if we just start small but start now, we will typically create some kind of momentum that keeps us going and going and going. So that's our first Your Brain Matters. It's a little bit about activation, which leads to motivation.